Once again, I want to say welcome to this channel. Thanks so much for all my returning subscriber. I appreciate you. I see your effort. I appreciate your effort. I appreciate your time. Thanks so much, and God bless you. And if today is your first time of coming across my video, I want to say you are awesome people. You are really welcome. I appreciate you so much. And so what are we going to be doing today? Today we'll be putting on handmade soap, specifically charcoal soap. Charcoal, activated charcoal. I'll be using activated charcoal to make this soap, and in fact it's a very kind of nourishing on our skin. It's good, cool on our skin, and it also helps in the dealing with the dryness in the body and every good thing about it. Okay, and so I have my soap base here. This is Glycerine soap base. This is the soap base I'll be using. And then when we talk about melt and pour, you are all in the same. Melt and pour, that means you have already prepared your base, and so you just melt it and then you activate and then customize it the way you intend to have your soap. So that's when you talk about, hey, what is what melt and pour? This is what it's talking about. You have your soap base, and then you melt it, and then what next? You customize it. So this is our soap base, the Glycerine soap base we make sometimes. Okay, so today I will be using the activated charcoal I also made sometimes. If you remember, I taught us on how to make activated charcoal. So that is not everything vendors buy for you. It's not everything you buy from the vendor. So what am I going to do? I will slice this one and then melt it. When I melt it, I'll come back and show us. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. And this is the charcoal, the activated charcoal I'll be using. I just need about a teaspoon of it. Okay, I've melted the soap base. Here's the soap base. Okay, so at this time now we can customize it. I'll be putting my activated charcoal now, and here I have it, just about 5 ml. So you pour it and then mix it. So you mix it thoroughly to make sure that it settles very well with it. It's well incorporated in it, so that it doesn't settle down in your soap. Let's be patient and mix it. Please do like it and share it, and then let me see and hear from you in the comment section. And I have other beautiful videos you are yet to watch. Do well to watch them. Comment and like it. I love people that share my video. I've seen people sharing my video. I appreciate you so well. God bless you. And that's how God will be expanding your businesses too. So let me hear you in the comment section. So I think it's already, nothing is settling down under. Okay, and this time we can put our fragrance, the fragrance of your choice. You can put it now to give your soap nice odor. And then if you are making business with it, if it's for commercial, so that your customers, your people keep coming back for your products. Okay, the joy of business is if you have your clients, your customers coming back. Just like how I know that some of us that are subscribing today, we keep coming back, isn't it? I can hear you, isn't it? So I pour it into my mode now. You can use any mode of your choice. Okay, so when it's solidified, I'll come back to show us. So see you then. Bye. Okay, you can see our charcoal soap. Look at it. So you can make your charcoal. You know, I use the Glycerine melt and pour. So you can see it's still a bit. You can see it. Is the foam that's set. When you see this foam, you can remove it before it's solidified. And even now, you can be cleaned off. Okay, so you can see our charcoal is there. Soap is ready. Thanks so much. Like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you.